Hey guys, welcome to my channel Take Help Sourav. I'm Sourav Dutta and today in this video I'm going to show you how do you install a laptop hard disk into your desktop PC. Follow my all steps, don't skip the video. The hard drive I have now is an open hard drive from an old laptop. I will install this hard drive into my computer. You will need a SATA cable to install the hard disk. First connect the SATA data cable. Plug one end of the SATA data cable into the back of the hard drive and the other end into the available SATA port on the desktop motherboard. Then connect the SATA power cable. Plug the SATA power cable from the power supply unit into the power connector on the hard drive. You may need a bracket or adapter to mount a 2.5-inch laptop hard drive in a 3.5-inch drive bay in desktop case. Install the drive. Secure the drive to bay using screw, ensuring that connector for power and data cable are accessible. You just to need install the screw with a screwdriver like I am doing. Check again to make sure you have connect the SATA cable and SATA power cable correctly. Then start the computer by pressing the power button key. When the computer starts, right click on this PC, go to manage, then click disk management to see if the hard drive is showing or not. Hopefully it will. I hope this video help you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.